Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here to solve another puzzle with you. Some puzzles are strange, not because they're difficult, but because right up until the end, you're never completely sure you're on the right track. This is one of these puzzles. Take a look. 2 equals 5, 3 equals 14, 4 equals 30, 5 equals 55. So, what does 6 equal? Don't rush, seriously, don't rush. Just stare at it for a few seconds because there's a clue hiding in plain sight, and chances are you haven't noticed it yet. I've always liked puzzles like this. At first, nothing seems to make sense. It almost looks like someone just threw a bunch of random numbers together. But here's the thing, in a good puzzle, nothing is random. Every number leaves a trace. A small clue pointing back to the rule that's hiding underneath. The question is, can you find the clue, or is your brain leading you down the wrong path? Let's try something simple. Look at differences between 14 and 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. 30 minus 14 is 16, and 55 minus 30 is 25. And for the first time, something starts to appear. 9, 16, 25. Do those numbers feel familiar? 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. In other words, 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2. So the next is 6 times 2. It's almost like each number is quietly revealing a piece of the puzzle. And if that pattern continues, the next difference should be 6 squared, which is 36. And if we add 36 to 55, we will get 91. But let's make sure, because getting the answer isn't the same thing as understanding it. 2 becomes 5. That's 1 squared plus 2 squared. 3 becomes 14. That's 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. And 4 becomes 30. That's 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. 5 becomes 55. That's 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared. So for 6 we can write 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 plus 4 squared plus 5 squared plus 6 squared. That equals 91. What's interesting is the answer was sitting there the whole time, but until you saw the pattern, 91 was just another number. Now I'm curious, what was the very first answer that popped into your head? Now, after the explanation, your first instinct drop it in the comments and get ready for the next puzzle because that one hides its clue a lot better.